Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about helping verbs. A helping verb helps the main verb express tense, like past, present, or future, mood, voice, which person is it, first person, second, or third, or aspect. Remember last week we talked a little bit about action verbs. An action verb is what does the action. It runs, it hops, it skips, it jumps. The helping verb helps the verb, the action verb, express that action. So, some examples of helping verbs are being verbs. Being verbs are all forms of the word be, and those would be is, are, am, was, were, be, being, and been. We also have the have verbs, which are has, had, and have. The do verbs, which are do, does, and did, and our modals, which are things that ask permission to do something generally, would be will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, should, and would. All of these are considered our helping verbs, and we will generally find them as part of a verb phrase. We'll find the helping verb and then the action right next to one another in the sentence. So, helping verbs are used to support the main verb. An example, he is running late. Here is our action word, running. So that's the action in the sentence. Now, our support or our help, our being verb is. He is running. So these two things together are our verb phrase. All right. Let's look at some practice at the bottom. Here's sentence number 1. They are running to catch the bus. Let's find the action word in the sentence. What are they doing? What is actually happening in this sentence? Running. Here's our action. Now we need to look right by this action word to find our helping verb. And if we look, we're going to see right here the word are. Are is a being verb, and it's part of our verb phrase. So here is our helper, here is our main verb, this is our verb phrase. Let's look at the next sentence. I have finished my homework. What is the action in this sentence? What can you do? Okay, you can finish. So here's our action, and this is a past tense action because it has ed on the end, something we did in the past, and it should have a helper. Do you see its helper? Perfect, right here, have. And have is one of our have verbs. It's a helper, and it makes this a complete verb phrase. All right, you try this one. She will eat dinner later. What is the action in that sentence? What can you do? Good job. If you said eat, perfect, because you can eat. All right, let's look for the helper, usually before it. Do you see it? Excellent. Will. All right, will is going to be our helping verb. Here it is with the modals. So our verb phrase, will eat. Next one. We were watching a movie. What is it you can do in this sentence? What's your action? Great, perfect, watching. And our helper, look at your words, generally look before. Great, were. So were is going to be our being verb. It's part of the verb phrase, were watching. And the last one, she is reading a new book. What is our action? Excellent, reading. And let's find our helper. Good job, is. So is reading is our verb phrase. All right, guys, that's our lesson on helping verbs. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.